Insane, inside, the danger gets me high.
Hey guys, it's Hela here, and this is my Hela makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a God of Death thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests for future makeup tutorials. Now this one was voted in a quick 1 hour, well, kind of ended up being a 2-hour survey sort of thing on Instagram, whether I should turn myself into Aura Singh from Star Wars: The Clone Wars or Hela from Thor Ragnarok, and obviously Hela got chosen. This one was really fun to do. Like, I just like doing really smoky eyeliner. I hope I kind of look a little bit like Kate Blanchett. I'll post a side by side on my Instagram. You can vote on that, I suppose, whether or not you think I did nail it or not. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this one, what you'd like to see in the future, because I do listen to what you guys recommend, and a lot of the time it's really fun. I know I don't have as many horns as she has. She's got about 10 or 12, I think it was. It's ridiculous.
Insane, inside, the danger gets me high. Can't help myself, got secrets I can't tell. I love the smell of gasoline. I light the match to taste the heat. I've always liked to play with fire. To play with fire. I ride the edge, my speed goes in the red. Hot blood, these veins, my pleasure is their pain. I love to watch the castles burn. These golden ashes turn to dirt. I've always liked to play with fire. To play with fire. Watching as the flames get higher. I've always liked to play with
rite of passage, classic habit, matching the gas tank. Ooh, that's pressure. Unstoppable, legendary animal. Digital justice, now you're gonna help us hail to the king and queen of the ruckus. Young money wired, no denying. Always like to play with fire.
play with fire. Always like to play with fire. Play with fire. Always like to play with fire. Fire, fire. Always like to play with fire. Always like to play with fire. Always like to play with insane, inside, the danger gets me high. Can't help myself, got secrets I can't tell. I love the smell of gasoline. I light the match to taste the heat. I've always liked to play with fire. To play with fire. I ride the edge, my speed goes in the red. Hot blood, these veins, my pleasure is their pain. I love to watch the castles burn. These golden ashes turn to dirt. I've always liked to play with fire. Play like to play with.
Rite of passage, classic habit, matching the gas tank. Ooh, that's pressure. Unstoppable, legendary.